world. Genergy is on the ground. Look at the bountiful variety. Pomegranates, figs, and chambos. These are the fruits that created the legendary elixir of youth. With my friend's assistance, we venture forth to gather them, embracing the effort ahead. It carries an exceptionally strong and vibrant orange taste, similar to Cory. Notice what wild environment we have today. Look, I want to tell you a story as a result of this that you're seeing here. Those old legends tell. It is a story, but a very beautiful one, that they say that man had finally discovered the elixir of youth, that elixir that made him immortal, and had these fruits that are the pomegranate, the kumquat, the lead fig. The tuner and quills were available all year round. Then those men of those ancient times then abused this, becoming like the gods, practically immortal. So the gods who didn't like that competition, they figured it out and decided that that man couldn't be immortal, that he had to be what we are. So they decided to make these fruits only give. At one time of year, it's very short. This is the time we are in, this which time, this All Saints time. Well, these fruits are not available all year round, but I do leave you the properties here so that you can see that the old ones really weren't going astray because they have great antioxidant properties. Okay, come on, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. I have an impressive juice factory here, and I can do it anywhere because I always have our power stations. Here I have the small one, as you can see. This one here is the smallest one. Well, there is another even smaller one, but this is just a 5H06. And it will be, I think, enough to make juice. Do I also have the 3:18 p.m. here that you all know? It doesn't matter what season, you really have to be able to make juice outdoors on a camping day. And if you really have these fruits within reach, because I will tell you one thing, the lead fig, this fig, we see it on the roads, and no one pays attention to it. However, its properties are very good. It is true that you eat it by mouth because it has a lot of grain, a lot of type. Okay, the same thing happens to the tuner that you may not know it, but it was used for dye, some refreshing drink, very famous. They used that dye. Now we are going to see it is real blood. It is what is going to give the juice such an attractive color. And the grenade, well, nothing. I'm not getting involved anymore. Let's get to the point. So it's clear, harvesting done our power stations. Remembering yourself is always a portable energy that you can take wherever you want. And this gives us this freedom, as we are going to do today, to make a juice anywhere. So make a soda from anywhere. Since they do not pollute, since there is no spark, since there is no fire, that is, we can work wherever we want in the field. So let absolutely nothing hinder you, regardless of what you're dealing with. You are fully capable of accomplishing what we plan to achieve today, and I genuinely hope you'll enjoy the experience that's about to unfold. Alright, let's begin by placing the Kumquat carefully. They should be poured as they are, intact and unpeeled, similar to before when I experimented with a piece. At this stage, you'll observe the pulp beginning to emerge on that side, allowing you to notice the transformation. This rich, vibrant red juice is beautifully tinted thanks to the tuners creating its striking color. Let's closely evaluate the consumption level he's demonstrating. It appears flawless, correct? Interestingly, the device consumes 40-50 watts. With this little project we're crafting, it guarantees hours of operational capability. Alright, that's manageable. Moving on, we've already incorporated the Kumquat in place, and now we're set to add even more components before proceeding further with the grenades. We carefully open them. Take the pomegranate for instance. As I mentioned, it's intriguing when it comes to Lego. It boasts an abundance of peaks, offering a savory experience, though indeed packed with numerous peaks. Quince extracts tremendous juice from us, imparting a unique flavor that enriches the dish. We're planning to add just a hint of quince to enhance it further, as that small addition makes a big impact. You have to remove the exterior because it has a lot of wool. Well, the station is still working perfectly. Let's see how it goes. Well, it's perfect. It's worth 56% battery. Okay, we move on. Well, shall we go with the figs?
How do we do with figs so as not to sting ourselves?
Be cautious, because the thorns on figs can be harmful.
Look, they cut like this. This technique,
it's how it makes it good, because those are old, as I say, okay? And now let's see if it goes well. There it is, okay?
it can also be made with a teaspoon. What about this? That's what we put in here.
Okay, let's open this one that's bigger. You see, this vibrant color from the fig tree truly resembles blood. It's common on the islands, especially the Canary Islands. Such a marvelous specimen deserves careful peeling to fully enjoy its benefits. This vibrant dye enhances both flavor and color, especially popular in the Canary Islands where they craft delightful ice creams from it. The resemblance to blood is striking. Do you realize the color this takes is that it is incredible? Well, we have made the elixir of youth that they said in the legend. Okay, and not perfect, 94%. I mean, we haven't spent that much. As you can see, a power station defends itself perfectly for camping, for anything we want to do outdoors. And of course, the stain looks. Get a close-up here if you can. Look at the stain of what's falling from the Tuno. It's incredible. Is this color okay? Well, we're going to do a tasting and we're done. I encourage you to look for these fruits and make these smooth juices because they are thickening. They're quite thick, but it's really very rich. So I'm going to taste it. We're closed here. Let's see how it turned out, okay? Notice what, huh? What the ancients really did you have to copy these things, huh? I'm going with your permission. How good, delicious. This in the morning when you wake up you take one of these, but you're already there all day. It's great. Well, nothing. So far our class here in improvised cooking, here in the open air. You already know that you have more information about our power stations. I also encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Because here on the channel you have more videos where I talk about these and many more things. Ways of using our energy stations that give you this energy freedom to enjoy nature as we have done today, and this pulp that we have extracted here. Don't worry, the chickens will take good care of them. For what I said, more information in Genergy, yes. Remember, it is forbidden to stop learning.